This is Amazon Echo Dot 4th generation. It's a new addition to the Echo Dot lineup. It is a famous budget-friendly smart home device from Amazon for the people who are always short on budget for expensive devices, or for the people their taste is simple in latest technology. Let's see this time what additions have been made in it by Amazon and also the differences this generation has on its predecessors. First we check what comes in the box of Echo Dot 4. The packaging itself is simple but nice. Hopefully I will find both device and charger in this box. This is a nice looking Echo Dot device which I will put on the side for a moment. And the charger is inside the box. We should be thankful to Amazon. Maybe next time it is not there, as some of the smartphone companies have stopped including the charger. Dimensions of Echo Dot 4 are 3.9 into 3.9 into 3.5 inches. It has a 1.6-inch front-facing speaker. The speaker weighs approximately 986 grams. For connection, it has a 3.5mm port. For wireless port, it has a Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Alexa is definitely built in for digital assistant. Echo Dot 4 design is completely different from its last generation. Here you can see the difference in shape of the last year and this year model. Amazon designers have completely overhauled the new design, and there is a major difference between them. For last year model is like donut shape, and the designer of last year model looks like they are fan of donuts. This year Echo Dot 4 is like baseball shape with one side flat, and probably this year designers are baseball fan, but they have to keep one side flat so that it cannot roll on the table, or they like to eat donuts while watching baseball. And this ball is covered with a fabric mesh. The new one is more nice looking from the previous generation, but it is according to my perspective. Maybe you are a donut fan. I personally think this design is more imposing than the last year generation. There are 4 buttons on top of the device. 2 are for controlling the volume and 1 is for muting the microphone, along with an action button that can be used for waking up Alexa, so that she can do some work for you, for example answering and hanging up calls, and play some nice music for you. The buttons are nice and clicky and they just work fine, but normally most of us are going to use our beautiful voices for interacting with Echo Dot 4. On the bottom of the speaker there is an LED ring that lights up blue when you activate Alexa. She may not like waking up, but it's okay. The light ring gives you an immediate feedback that speaker has recognized your voice. On the back of the speaker you will find the power input and an auxiliary input. On the very bottom of the speaker there is a universal mount which you can use if you want to mount the speaker on the wall. The new Echo Dot is available in few different colors including charcoal, glacier white and twilight blue. I am reviewing the charcoal model. A slightly more expensive version of the Echo Dot is also available, which adds an integrated LED clock, but that is for those people who have something important to do on time, not for people like me, so that's why I didn't bought it. The Amazon Echo Dot 4 is different from the 3rd generation in mainly 2 parts. One is design and the other is sound quality. I've already discussed about the design, so let's move on to the sound quality. Echo Dot 4 has a single 1.6-inch speaker, same as from the last generation model. Why Amazon? But the speaker's new front-facing position allows it to sound a little better as compared to the omnidirectional capabilities of its last generation. It is not much better than the 3rd year generation version, but only a small bit. Now you can hear the sound of the speakers.
I never think, I never know. I'm stuck and left alone. I've been lost, I've been fine.
It is little better from its predecessors, but not compared to the high-end models of the Echo Show device. The Amazon Echo Dot 4 even though offers some improvement on its predecessor, but I don't think it is justifiable with the price, because now you can pick up the last year model with a lot less price. And who does not like almost similar device with less price range if you exclude the factor of design. The design of this Echo Dot is also not everyone's cup of tea, and it is also not versatile looking if you want to mount it on the wall. So to sum up, the new Amazon Echo Dot is a nice compact smart speaker. It's relatively inexpensive, sounds pretty good for its size and price range, and has a friendly design, depends on your liking. But more inexpensive model of last year with not that much of a difference could be a nice bargain. So let me know in the comments What do you think about the design of Echo Dot 4?